In this question, he is saying the integral, this whole is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. To do this question, I write it as 16 1 to 2 x dx upon x power 4 into x square plus 2 whole square. And now put x square equal to t. I get 2x dx equal to dt. Hence this is equal to 8 times 1 to 4 dt upon t square into t plus 2 whole square. Agreed. After this, most of the students will think that make the partial fraction of t square into t plus 2 whole square. That is, most of the students will like to write it as a upon t, b upon t square, c upon t plus 2, d upon whole square. It's not wrong, but I will do it in a slightly better way. I know that 1 upon t into t plus 2, it is very easy to make the partial fraction of it. It will be upon t 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 2 into t plus 2. And to get the value of this, let us square on both sides. I get 1 upon t square into t plus 2 whole square equal to 1 by 4t square plus 1 by 4 into t plus 2 square minus 1 by 2 into t plus 2, and this is equal to 1 by 4t square plus 1 by 4 into t plus 2 square minus 1 by 2 into, again making the partial fraction of it, I get 1 by 2t minus 1 by 2 into t plus 2. Hence the value of this, that is 8 into 1 to 4 dt upon t square into t plus 2 square is equal to 2 into 1 to 4 1 by t square plus 1 by t plus 2 square minus 1 by t plus 1 by t plus 2. This is equal to 2 into minus 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 2 minus log t plus log of t plus 2 and 1 to 4. This is equal to, now 2 into minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 minus log 4 plus log 6 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus log 3. This is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 plus log of 6 by 3 into 4. This is equal to 2 into 3 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus log of 1 by 2. This is equal to 2 into 12, 9 plus 2 minus log 2, that is equal to 11 by 6 minus 2 log 2, that is 11 by 6 minus log 4. Hence I can say fourth choice is the correct choice.